5 reasons why vegetarians are healthier than non-vegetarians. That look of disappointment on the face of a non-vegetarian when he sees the buffet doesn't have chicken is worth noticing. People who are non-vegetarian think that vegetarian diet is absolutely boring. But you'd be surprised to know there is not just one but a plethora of other reasons why a vegetarian diet is better than non-vegetarian diet and why vegetarians are healthier. Let's have a look. Number 1. Vegetarian diet is more balanced. Non-vegetarian food is rich in protein, omega-3 and fats, but does that make up for all the nutrients required by your body? Absolutely not. Apart from protein, fats and omega-3, human body needs plenty of other nutrients. Plant-based foods like pulses, grains, fruits, vegetables and grains are packed with essential nutrients required by the human body. Following a well-balanced vegetarian diet can help you get all the nutrients. Number 2. Vegetarian diet lowers your risk of heart diseases. A vegetarian diet is a well-balanced diet which is rich in fiber, minerals, vitamins, and is low in saturated fats, harmful for the body. Due to being low in saturated fats, the diet keeps blood pressures and cholesterol in control. And consuming such a diet for a long time lowers your risk of cardiovascular diseases. Diet low in sodium and fats and rich in fiber and potassium can help lower the risk of CVDs. Number 3. Keeps you lean. According to experts and studies, vegetarians happen to be leaner as compared to non-vegetarians. Not only this, vegetarians have a healthier BMI, controlled blood pressure and low cholesterol as well. Maintaining weight in a long run is easier if you are on a vegetarian diet. Number 4. Vegetarians live longer. Problems that occur from the consumption of saturated fats, found in non-vegetarian food, like high blood pressure, increased cholesterol and obesity, increase the risk of dying early in non-vegetarians. To be specific, the risk of dying from heart disease is less in vegetarian people as compared to non-vegetarians. Number 5. Better digestion. A vegetarian diet is rich in fiber that improves your digestion. The risk of digestive issues is more in people who consume non-vegetarian food, which has less fiber. Grains, vegetables, fruits, pulses, all are rich in dietary fiber, which keeps your digestion healthy. So, not all vegetarians are healthy, it depends on the lifestyle. If they don't eat meat but consume high-fat cheese, junk and perform no physical activity, they would be no better.